When your Eero Pro isn't connecting to the internet, the problem often lies with your internet service provider or modem configuration. Let's systematically check these fundamental components. First, verify your ISP is providing stable internet service. Contact your provider to check for outages or maintenance in your area, and confirm your account is active with no service issues. Next, ensure your modem is in bridge mode. This prevents network conflicts by allowing your Eero Pro to manage routing. Access your modem's admin panel, typically at 192.168.100.1, and enable bridge or pass-through mode. Verify your modem receives a dynamic IP address from your ISP. If connectivity issues persist, release and renew the IP lease using the ipconfig release and renew commands in command prompt. Finally, verify all physical cable connections between your modem and Eero Pro gateway are secure. Check Ethernet cables for damage and ensure they're firmly connected to prevent intermittent connectivity issues. When your ISP and modem are working correctly, but your Eero Pro still won't connect, the issue is likely in the setup sequence or advanced configuration. The first step is performing a proper power cycle in the correct order. Step 1. Power down both devices completely. Unplug the power cables from both your modem and Eero Pro gateway. Step 2. Power on the modem first and wait 2 full minutes. This allows the modem to fully initialize and establish its connection with your ISP. Step 3. Now power on your Eero Pro gateway. Wait for the LED indicator to show a solid white light, which indicates a stable internet connection. Understanding Eero LED indicators is crucial for diagnosing connection issues. Each color tells you exactly what's happening with your device. One of the most common advanced configuration issues is double NAT. This occurs when both your modem and Eero Pro are acting as routers, creating 2 separate networks that can cause connectivity problems. The solution is to configure your modem in bridge mode. This turns off the modem's routing functions and lets your Eero Pro handle all network management, eliminating the double NAT issue. IPv6 compatibility can also cause connection issues. If your ISP supports IPv6, enable it in your Eero settings for optimal performance. However, if IPv6 is causing problems, you may need to disable it temporarily. For fiber internet users, ensure your Eero Pro is compatible with your provider's ONT or optical network terminal. Some fiber services require specific VLAN configurations or authentication methods. Finally, use the Eero app's built-in diagnostics to identify and resolve remaining issues. The app includes speed tests, network topology visualization, and automatic problem detection to help optimize your network performance.